So my microwave is 24 inches, right? So I had to go to Home Depot and buy this material, which is pretty similar to this one here. So I cut the same depth and width to match my microwave. Put some screws here, and it looks better that way. So I'm gonna try to show you all angles. You can probably do the same. And then also, and that's pretty sturdy. Also, I added with the leftover material, I added that part over there. So I made a drawer pretty much. It didn't look too bad. And the reason I did that, I made an extra drawer, so or a box, is to raise it up so it would match my counter. And I think it looks better a little higher. I still need to finish this part, which I made. I'm not a professional. I just made it. So I made my own drawer here. So I still need to install the, so you can see for extra storage, and looks pretty cool. It takes a little bit of work, but it's possible, and I love it. I love the overall results.
So a couple weeks ago, I bought this piece, and I'm not happy because this one gave me so much hard time. So I took a picture. One tool is missing, and this one, look, doesn't ever fit. And the slider, this side, I have to use my tool to fix this up, let it open it to slide in. It took me like 2 hours to realize what's going on, what I'm doing wrong. Then I figured it out. This side and this side is different. So I use my tool to make a same position to this one, the other side. I don't want to return it. You can see I have to, because now I have to use this one. It's hard to open it. I don't have an extra hand to unassemble this and return it. So I have to keep it for no reason, but I want to give my review. I'm not happy with this product.
Sorry all you naysayers, but I love my microwave stand. I knew it was only $69, so I assumed it would be particle board, and I was right. The doors fit fairly flush, so does the drawer. I'm not having the trouble with wobbliness at all.
It's wobbly. This has a gap. Doesn't even stay. This piece of crap.
completely crooked. This drawer. Unusable.